Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Jason Mark Premium Shoe Cleaner. We're going to be cleaning up these Kobe's that I did find at the thrift, as you saw in the other video. These shoes will be up for sale, so this video will have the eBay link down below if you don't want to go through eBay and you want to go through like personal. I will leave my Instagram down below so that we can work that together. So here we have the Kobe's, the USA pack. I've already started reshaping them because again I did find this at the thrift. So enough about the shoes. Here we got the Jason Mark, and pretty much the directions are to drip the brush into bowl water, apply the solution to the brush, dip the brush back in the bowl water, scrub the sneakers, and then wipe the shoe clean, and then repeat as needed. So here you have, this is kind of like, this bag just literally comes with the Jason Mark shoe cleaner right here and the brush itself. So here on the side of me I got some water, so we're going to do the instructions. Get your brush, water the brush, make sure you have a towel because if not, like, it's going to get dirty. Make sure you open it first. So like I said, these shoes are going to be for sale, so I'm struggling. There you go. You get your brush, put the cleaner, good amount, put it back into the water. I always like to put my hand inside the shoes just so I can have better grip on them. And then, well, like, let me show you close up this one. Pretty much the upper of the shoe is not really that dirty, but what's the midsole, since it's clear, and the bottoms are dirty. So you're just gonna get right into it. Make sure, honestly, the shoe cleaner smells really nice. It's pretty cool that this Kobe shoe is like, it's not soiled or anything. So you just get right into it and clean it up, man. I will be cleaning up this one, and then I'll show you guys kind of the comparison between this one and the one that's not clean, on how good the product is. Just based off smell, the product is nice. As you see, we've done several other products here in the channel. So yeah, it's always nice to experiment with different products, because sometimes some products will not be accessible like others. So yeah, noticing a slight difference already. This is only the first pass, so good to see that the product is actually working. The shoes are like a little beat up, but like, again, these are really good basketball shoes. So whoever ends up buying this shoe, like, I hope you actually use it and ball up in. You know, rest in peace, Kobe. But okay, so we have pretty much the first quote on. here we have, as you see, the shoe. Let me just clean it up. Not clean it up, but wipe it down. As you see, guys, the midsole right here, it's not as dirty as this one. As you see, this one kind of like yellowish. This one's still yellow, but you can still already see the white, and the scuffs are pretty much gone. I'm gonna work on this one. Like most of the scuffs actually like came off. So pretty good. This shoe, because it has no detachment or anything. This is a size 13, guys. Honestly, the product, comparing it to this one, the product is pretty good, guys. They took off pretty much all the stains on the midsole. Like I said, the uppers weren't bad, but even here you can see where the non-clean one, which is this one, is much darker and has a lot more dirt than this one. So like overall, I give the Jason Mark a 9 out of 10. It works well. The only thing I don't give it the 10, like you have to have your own kind of rag. So that's kind of downfall, because you know sometimes you might be like in a rush and whatever, so you're gonna make a mess. So again, guys, Jason Mark, 9 out of 10, just because you need your own rag. But these Kobe's are for sale, guys. I will be having the eBay link down below. Stay blessed and have a great day, guys. Bonus footage. I know I said I was done, but you know how stores put this on here, the price tag. Little hack for resellers out there. Goo Gone. This does kind of smell bad, so make sure y'all don't do it like in a place like around kids or something. You can put some in a paper towel. I guess a strong odor, but nothing crazy. And just like that, Sharpie is gone. Marshalls, Burlington, Ross, certain thrifts do put the price tag and permanent marker, but this is what you need right here. We'll leave it up there so y'all can screenshot or whatever. Resellers, you're welcome. Have a blessed day. Thank y'all for watching.